I'm thrilled to share that the very first digital course to learn the Taino language, Tainonaiki for Beginners, is now officially live. For the first time, English speakers can learn Taino at their own pace for free on any device and from anywhere in the world. Whether you're at home, in a classroom, or across the ocean, you now have access to our ancestral language, once thought lost but awakening one word at a time. In this course, you'll do more than memorize vocabulary. You'll explore Taino grammar, culture, and heritage through reading, listening, speaking, and writing activities. You'll hear spiritual leaders in our community share origin stories and more. With immersive video content and 360-degree images, the language truly comes to life. This course has been a labor of love, 4 years in the making, and it was made possible through a powerful collaboration between Casa Areyto and 7,000 Languages. We were also honored to have Javier Hernández, the creator of the Tainonaiki variant, serve as a special consultant. Y eso no es todo. En las próximas semanas comenzaremos a trabajar con estudiantes y personal de la Universidad de Puerto Rico en Mayagüez para completar la versión en español, Tainonaiki para principiantes, que esperamos lanzar para diciembre de este año. To sign up for the course, simply go to the Casa Areyto website and click Learn for Free on the resources page. We'll leave the link in the chat. May this course be a blessing to our community for generations to come. Bo Guatucan, many blessings, muchas bendiciones.